Hello? I'm afraid I have the hiccups. Oh, don't worry, Molly. They don't actually hurt. They are annoying, though. You never know when they're going to hit you. It's like your body's playing a trick on you. And then they just go away. There, Molly. Yay! I'm all better. It's a good thing, because usually when I have the hiccups, they last a lot longer than... Oh, no, Molly! They're back! Oh, no, what am I going to do? Oh, look! It's Dr. Molly! She'll save me! So, where do we start? My head? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, you want to go on my head? Okay, you're the doctor. Up you go. There, Molly. You're on my head, but do you really think that you can hold down my hiccups? Okay. Hey, that one wasn't so bad. It works, Molly. Oh, you are one good dolly doctor. Oh, Molly. Molly! Where are you? Oh, are you all right? Let me help you. Oh, Molly, I am so sorry. Oops. Oh, Molly, I am so sorry. Oh, right. Maybe I shouldn't touch you. Oh. And the worst part about hiccups is waiting for the next one. Well, some clowns say a good scare is a good way to cure the hiccups. Well, but where am I going to find a good scare around here? Oh, very scary, Molly. Hey! No more hiccups! Oh, Molly, you did it! Oh, Molly, give me a hug! Oh, no! They're back! Oh, no! You too, Molly? Oh, we've got double hiccups! Oh, wait, let's get far apart. Oh, this isn't working at all. Oh, maybe a stretch on my clock rug would help. Oh, I'll be right back, Molly. Sometimes when I'm full of energy, I need to stretch, like this. Molly, no more hiccups. You too? Oh, great. Well, now we know a good cure for the hiccups. All you need is a good stretch. Yay! Oh, Molly, your hiccups, they're back. Oh, poor Molly. Poor me.
What's up? Oh, no!
Was the biggest yet. I've never had that this long before. You too, Molly? Oh, what are we going to do? Go next door? Granny? Of course. Oh, she'll know how to cure the hiccups.
I think the yard is almost ready. Lunetka!
Hi!
Please, Lunette, call me Granny.
Okay. What you doing?
Oh, I've invited Auntie McCaster over for our ladies' tea. We do it once every year, and I want the yard to look perfect. Thank you, Snickle Fritz. Well, time to cut the grass. There, everything looks all nice.
Granny, I was wondering if...
Yes, Lunette?
What do you know about...
Lunette, I could understand you better if you would stop your hiccups.
I can't!
You have the hiccups. That's all right. Everybody gets them. Sometimes your body does little things that you just can't control. Don't be scared. It's normal.
But how do you...
How do you hiccup? You've got it right.
No, how do you... Stop!
I see. You want to stop the hiccups.
Yes, Granny. I'm tired of it. I want to stop.
Of course. Snickle Fritz, please fetch from the cart my big book of old country cures.
Oh, I knew you could help.
Please, call me Granny. Oh, thank you, Snicky. Oh, no. No, Pussy Fritz. This is my small book of old country cookery. Take this back. Oh, we need the big book, please.
Do you ever get the hiccups, Granny?
Not often. No, but when I do...
What?
They're different. Oh, thank you, Snickles. This is it. Let's see. Apnea, botrytis, cholesterol, dizziness, earaches, flatulence. Aha, here it is. Hiccups.
Oh, what's it say?
Oh, put a doll on your head.
Tried it.
Hiccups scare easily.
Tried it.
Here's another cure. Stand on one foot.
Okay.
Grab your right ear with your left hand.
Easy enough.
Cross your eyes and stick out your tongue.
Set out my tongue.
Then hop 7 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Granny, I think it worked.
Of course. It's all in the book. 3 cheers for the old country cures.
Oh, hip hop hooray! Hip hop hooray! Hip hop! Oh, Granny, they're back. Oh, and Granny, you've got them too.
I do.
But they're different.
Yes, I get the kangaroo hiccups.
Kangaroo hiccups? Why are they called the kangaroo hiccups?
I don't know. My body is out of control.
Oh, Major! Bedhead!
Oh, hi, Lunette.
Meow.
Hey, Snickster.
Hello, bedhead.
Oh, hello, Granny.
Major! Bedhead!
We've got the hiccups.
Oh, I can cure hiccups.
You can?
How? Major, we'll try anything.
Ballet.
Ballet?
Yeah, sure. It's a kind of a dance they usually do in a large theater with lots of this
We know
and
what
this.
ballet is, Major Bedhead.
But we've never heard about ballet curing the hiccups.
We'll try it.
Oh, boy, I'm ready.
Molly, you watch from over here.
All right, assume the position. Ready?